This vehicle also have problem, no self start, because I've changed fuel farm. Then I check the regulator valve, the special valve, and relief valve, fuel pressure relief valve, and cam sensor, and fuse board, and relay system, then main relay also. Then I check other also removing the inside the side. I have one socket here, socket also. One by I'll check. Then I found the problem. Where's the problem? I remove the computer box behind coming. This is the computer wire harness. This also wire harness. Then I remove the computer box. See the computer box. See. This is the computer box. Navara yd25 engine. Then I'll check they have four. I saw into one by because my table is some date. This the one unit here, one unit here, one unit here, one unit here. See. I want to check this area. Why injector faults not coming out? Okay, then I will found this job finish. Then I give in this video also. This is the Seevali automobile workshop. Uh, all vehicles, Mitsubishi, Hilux, Cab, only I will repairing here. I'll working with Dubai 20 years. After I will come back my country, and then I'll start this job again. I have everyday cab here. Then I will found one by job, not all removing the 10 vehicles coming. I'll not remove the 10 vehicle. One finish other one like this, because I have four tight. Okay, this is in my lifetime. Thank you very much watching my video, and you like, don't like, no problem. I give one by all video and Seevali automobile workshop. Thank you very much. I have a lot of video YouTube channel. Thank you.